Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can dribble in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. Now to dribble in eFootball, first you need to pass the ball. Now once you pass the ball or you get the ball to dribble, you can see the arrow which my player has. So whichever direction the arrow is pointed in, that is the direction the player is going to dribble. And to dribble the ball, you can use the analog stick, which is going to be available at the bottom left of your screen. You can use your thumb and you can, move to the direction which you want. Now, once you move to the direction which you want, there is two ways to dribble ball. One is the slow way. You don't have to press any button. Just use the analog at the bottom left corner and go to the direction which you want. Now, if you want to dribble fast, you can see the option called dash. You need to click on dash. So let me show you how you dribble fast. You use the analog at the bottom left to go to the direction which you want and just click or hold on dash. Once you hold on dash, your player will start to run real quickly. So I hope you understand how you guys can dribble in football or how you guys can dribble in eFootball. So let me show you again so you don't get confused. So I'm going to pass the ball to one of my players to start the game. And as you guys can see, I'm dribbling slowly. Now if I click on dash, it'll start to run fast just like this. So I hope you understand how you guys can dribble in eFootball. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.